Guys, this is Tech and How To. There was a short break in uploading videos. Actually, it was a bit long, but I will continue to upload videos in regular intervals. So let's start the today's topic. Today's topic is how to download Snapchat Plus Plus, tweaked version of Snapchat with a lot more hacked features. This will work on iOS 9, 10 and 11 as I am on iOS 11.3.1, the latest. So let's start. Before we start, clear Safari history and data to download third-party applications without any issue. Just clear it and let's go. Link is in description as always. Go to that link. It may crash. Go to that link and it will bring you here. Just click the download free version and click on install. You will receive this pop-up. Then click install and wait for it. It's almost done. It's downloaded now. You can't access this app until you manually allow access to this. For this, go to settings and then go to general and scroll down to profiles and device management. Find this profile, hit trust again. Now you can launch this application. It's Panda Helper. It contains a lot more hacked games and apps, tweaked apps. Click on skip, scroll, open now. It's the Panda Helper. Close this and search for the game or app you want to download. For Snapchat Plus Plus, search for SCOTHMAN. It's the official tweaked app. Once you search it, you will get this app on your screen. Click on install. Search again. Click on install. If it doesn't work, then open the app first and then click on install here. It started installing. Wait for it. If it's stuck on 0, then pause the application and then resume it. It will start downloading. It started. Downloaded now. Then click on install. If you don't receive any pop-up, install information is preparing. Please wait a minute. Okay. Then you will receive a pop-up and click on install. It's starting installing where you have space on your home screen. It's installing. Installed. Now you can launch this. Just click on the Snapchat icon and log in and sign up. If you already have an account, then click on login. If you are new account holder, then click on sign up. And enjoy Snapchat tweaked version of it with a lot more hacked features. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have reached around 335 subscribers. Thanks for supporting me. Follow me on Facebook. Thank you.